Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Pinagr recipe, a traditional Goan sweet that brings together roasted rice, rich coconut jaggery, and freshly grated coconut to create one of Goa's most nostalgic festive treats. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Pinagr. This simple, wholesome sweet has been cherished in Goan homes for generations, enjoyed throughout the year, and given a special place on every Goan Christmas platter. It's a delicious sweet that's packed with authentic Goan flavors. In this video, you'll learn how to roast the rice to the perfect color, how to melt the jaggery without burning it, and how to mix everything to get that classic texture needed to form smooth, firm pinagrs. Whether you're reliving childhood memories or discovering the sweet for the first time, these cooking tips will help you recreate truly authentic homemade pinagr. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Pinagr. Step 1. Preparing the rice powder. Take 1.5 cups of Goan parboiled rice, or if that's not available, you can also use any other parboiled rice. Wash the rice 3 to 4 times. After washing the rice, place it in a strainer. Once the water has drained out, place the rice on a tray or cloth to dry it completely. Once the rice is completely dried, it is time to roast it. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add the rice. Stir it properly. Roast the rice until it turns light brown in color and releases a slight aroma. This will take around 8 to 12 minutes depending on the type of rice you are using. Stir frequently to prevent it from burning. Do not overcook the rice and burn it. Once done, remove it from the pan and keep it aside to cool completely. The rice will change its color and look a little brownish. Once the roasted rice has cooled down, put it in a mixer grinder. Grind it to a very fine powder. Rice powder is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Instead of putting the whole pyramids of jaggery and letting it melt on its own, we will slice the jaggery and break down any pieces so that it takes less time to melt and there are no chances of the jaggery burning and turning bitter. We have used 1.5 cup of coconut jaggery, which is around 350 grams in weight. 3/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. 2 pinches of salt. 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. In a mixer grinder, add the coconut and grind it without adding any water. It is basically a dry grinding. Ground coconut is ready. Step 3. Preparing the pinagr. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add the jaggery. Stir continuously to prevent it from burning or else it will turn bitter. Since we have already sliced the jaggery and broken it down, it will melt in very little time. Stir it nicely. Break down any small pieces that are visible.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Once the jaggery has melted completely, add the green cardamom powder. Add the salt. Mix everything nicely. Once done, add the ground coconut. Mix everything properly. Cook for some time until the moisture in the mixture has reduced. Once done, remove it from the heat. Now add the rice powder little at a time so it combines well with the coconut and jaggery mixture. Mix everything properly. Keep adding the rice powder little at a time. Do not add all the rice powder in one go. Use as much rice powder as required to get the right consistency. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. The mixture should be dry enough to form cylindrical shaped pinag. If there is any rice powder remaining, store it in the refrigerator for later use. When the mixture is warm enough to handle, start forming the pinagrs. Take a small portion of the mixture, press it together and roll it in the palm of your hand and then form the traditional cylindrical shaped pinag just like you form a croquette. The other way is to press it together and form a ball in the palm of your hand and then using a flat surface form the cylindrical shape. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. Also let us know which other recipes you want us to prepare. We got around 20 pieces of pinag. Let it cool down and dry out completely. Store the pinag in an airtight container. You can keep the pinag at room temperature if you are going to consume it within 1 to 2 days. However, it is best to store it in the refrigerator if you are going to consume it in a few days or in the freezer if you want to consume it in the next few weeks. Delicious Goan Pinagr is ready to enjoy during this festive season. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members and let them also enjoy their Christmas with this pinag. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.